Hi dear viewers, in this video I am going to talk about how to find factorial of a number by using function. So in the previous program we learned how to find factorial of a number without using function. So in this program we want to learn how to find a factorial by using function. So remember, you can type the code in any C editor of your choice. So I will be using code blocks. So I want to open my code blocks, and I'm going to reopen the same program that we have written already for finding a factorial of a number. So I want to add something in this program, and I want to find a factorial of a number by using function. So if you are using function, you must keep in mind three things, which is one of them is function declaration and function definition and function call. So first I want to declare a function which is int factorial int n. I declare a function, and then I want to remove this variable. I want to text two number from the user, which is first number and second number, and then I ask from the user to enter first number, and then I write in that place first number, and then I want to copy this two lines, and then I ask from the user to enter another second number. I write second number is address of n. Yes, okay. I want to remove this for loop from that place, and then I want to define this function is int factorial and n. Then I want to declare variable which is fact equal to 1, and then I declare another variable I, and then I use for loop is I equal to 1, and then I write I less than or equal to n, and then I plus plus, then I write fact is equal to fact multiply I, and then I return the value of fact. Yes, and then I want to print these numbers. So first I write f first number, and then I call the function which is factorial f first number, and then I want to copy this line for a second factorial number, and I write in that place second number, and then I call to a function second number, and then I use in that place backslash n to print another number and print another number n. I want to print another number, and next line to print the number, next line. So let me explain how this for loop is working. First, they check the number factorial. They takes the number from the user. If the user gives a number 5, and then the first factorial value is 1, 1 is less than 5, and then they multiply 1 into 1, and they store this value in fact variable, and then they increment the value by 1, which is now the current value of I is 2. 2 is less than or equal to 5, and then they multiply with 1, and now the fact value is 2, and then they increment the value by 1 is 3, and 3 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true, and then they multiply this number with 2, which is equal to 6, and then they increment the value by 1. Now the value of I is 4. 4 is less than or equal to 5. The condition is true, and they multiply 4 into 6, which is equal to 24, and then they increment the value by 1. Now the current value of I is 5. 5 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true, and then they multiply 5 into 24, which is equal to 120, and then they increment the value by 1. Now the value of I is 6. 6 is less than or equal to 5, so the condition becomes fail, and that condition false in the out control out from the loop. So that's the program of a pictorial of a number by using. Now I want to compile and run this program. Yes, compilation is successfully. If I give input 5 for first number, and then I give 4 for the second number, so the pictorial of 5 is 120, and pictorial of 4 is 24. Thank you so much for watching this video.